Hi everyone, my name is Arushi and we're going to be presenting to your project today, which is around the game Simon Says.
And I'm Rhea.
To talk a little bit about our project and give you a brief overview, it's an interactive memory game based around the game Simon Says. And this game is to test and challenge the player's memory, but also their reaction time to see if they're able to memorize the sequence from the Simon Says round in the allocated time.
Our technical approach lies in two different files, led.c and lcd.c. led.c has the LED control logic, pit timer, the gameplay logic, which lies within the pit timer, interrupt service routine, as well as interrupt coordination and system state maintenance. lcd.c maintains pretty much just a score, the number of buttons pressed, the start and end screen. Some of the issues that we ran into was LCD, which is when we didn't realize that only the charts that can be represented is A through F and the numbers 0 through 9. So we had to get a little bit creative. We had LED sequence timing issues with load val and resetting the timer because we initially needed to go immediately into the ISR and then it had to go through this 5 second delay, which Arushi will talk about a little bit later. And then also centralizing the game logic outside of this while one loop and into the interrupt service routine to make sure that everything worked seamlessly with the timing.
So we're going to be going a little bit into our gameplay into demo, but again, to give you a brief overview, it is essentially Simon Press round that has three color sequences, and the Simon Says round is being determined by 50% probability of if there's a green LED in the beginning or not. And based on that, the user has to press a certain number of times, which is the accumulation of how many target presses there are on each LED.
This is
And
our
this is our
demo
demo
video.
video.
Yep.
Hello, this is the starting screen of our game, which is 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you click this switch 1 to do start. You'll see it's green, which is the Simon Says, and then you'll see these colors. You have to hit you have to press the number that is for that switch. You can see in this case there was no green, so we don't have to press anything. This counts the number of button switches that you have. So in this case it's 0. And you can see that my score is increasing because I'm doing it correctly. That's red, so it's 1, 1, 2. So we can do 1, and we can see the correct answer will be 4, so our score increases. And so I have to do it again. And so in this case it's 6, but I'm going to do it wrong to show error. I did 5, and you can see now the score has decreased. We can see that was 2, 2, 3. So that's around, yeah, that was wrong. And so you can see that this is how it works. And then if you want to cancel the game, all you have to do is press after you press this cancel button, and you can see 5 toggles, and now no matter what you press, the game does not start. So how you have to restart the game is you hit the reset button. That's it.
So to go a little bit into our work distribution, Rhea mainly worked on implementing and debugging the LED behaviors, the main components of LED.C, and I worked on the main gameplay logic and design.
And the outside resources we use are the Lab 2 code, LCD demo code from Canvas, as well as a button demo code provided to us on Ed Discussion. Thank you so much for listening.
Thank you.